Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Data Dispatch. I hope everybody is having a great day. Let's talk about C3.AI as we've had this increasing level of support in today's trading pattern, getting some bullishness and some confidence back into the AI stock. Now, with a trading volume of nearly 20 million, we see C3.AI close above $41. And this is great, especially as C3 has been kind of unpredictable above that $40 price target. Now, with that being said, remember in yesterday's video, we had Google earnings come out. We also had Microsoft earnings come out and Snapchat. Good thing about Google is they beat their expectations across the board. Now, especially with them being a leader in the AI industry, this brings a lot of confidence into the whole AI stock industry and all of the stocks. And what we do see is more of the speculative one, smaller mid-tier cap stocks that are more volatile, such as C3.AI, having more confidence get put into them. Now, with that being said, of course, AI does have its earnings that will be coming out here in about a month. They're estimated for August 30th. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on the stock, seeing will they beat their predictions and will their revenue metrics stay up to date. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take everything I say with a grain of salt. Hit that like button for the algorithm and subscribe for daily videos. Of course, do your own research. Now let's pop it up on the screen for you guys. C3.AI, you can see volume at 19.26 million, price action right here of 41.2. If we zoom out a little bit, just take a quick look here kind of on the 30-minute charts, you can see C3.AI has had some resistance at this 43 in the past. We saw this about a week ago on the 19th. With this kind of a bullish step up with confidence coming in here, you can see a little bit of support here was tested basically at that 40, a little bit of a rebound as you saw some good green wick candle bars that formed here, closing at that 41.22, up another 2% on the day. Now the question is, will this rally continue for C3.AI, especially sitting at nearly now a $5 billion market cap? It's important to remember that C3.AI does trade at a really high price to earnings ratio. This is kind of common among other tech stocks and especially more speculative tech stocks that people are taking a bet on its future, trying to get ahead of the game and join in on the rally. Now, right now, C3.AI does trade at 14 times its year sale, which is a bit high relative to its near-term growth rates and challenges. So right now they are paying a premium. I would agree with that in my opinion for its catchy ticker symbol. I think that's true. With AI stocks being a trending piece of investment within the stock market right now, having the ticker the symbol AI does give you a little bit of an advantage just due to the name. But however, C3 revenue, they did rose over 38% in fiscal year 2022, which that ended last April, but they have kind of slowed down in growth 6% to 267 million in the fiscal 2023. Now, one thing about C3.AI is they do expect, we've covered this before, to be profitable by the end of fiscal year in 2024. Now, this could be a really big achievement. It could really take C3.AI to the next level. They do expect that 10 to 20% growth in the fiscal year 2024. However, C3.AI is going to be facing, as it grows, lots of competitions and plenty of competition. For example, such as against AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft's Azure, which they actually reported has not actually been performing as well as they did, which we saw a little bit of a pullback in after hours from Microsoft today. And with Google Cloud Platform. Now, these leading infrastructure platforms are a competitive disadvantage towards C3.AI. One thing though that C3.AI does is it does do business with some very big and important companies, which is great as it does mainly serve these big industrial and government clients. If it does land this and build reputation and successful reputation among some of these other clients, we could see more revenue metrics coming into C3.AI. Now, one thing that I think is important, especially if we bring up their financials right now and pop it up on the screen for you, with C3.AI, like I said, earnings here at 8/30, 2023. Earnings per share estimated is going to be at negative 0.17 cents. Now, negative 0.17 cents, they were able to beat their last quarter earnings with the revenue metrics at 71.6 million. It's important, especially as C3.AI, how they are going to increase their revenue estimates. I know they were kind of changing ways that they actually engage with clients and changing their subscription model to pay basically per CPU per hour. This meant that it wasn't just a flat rate package. The more you utilize C3.AI, the more a business utilizes C3.AI, then the more revenue that C3 will actually make. So lots of things coming here in the near future, and especially with some analysis. C3.AI, but in the end here, is looking healthy, and I'm definitely going to keep it on my stock watch list, and I'll be keeping a close eye. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about the future for the stock? Do you want to see some other stocks in the channel? And of course, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Peace out.